Hello, welcome back to my channel. Last time I had posted a video on apiculture of damer bees. In this video, I have come up with apiculture of Indian bees. Indian bees are the native of Asia, especially in India. They are domesticated species which construct multiple parallel combs with an average honey yield of 6 to 8 kg per colony per year. It is a simple long box covered with slates. The box is filled with number of frames wherein wax sheets are attached to them. The bees use the wax sheets to create their honeycombs. The honeybees convert nectar of the flowers into honey and store them in the combs of the hive. Beneath the stand, you can find some water. The water is kept there to keep any ants or any kind of worms away. The water is kept there to prevent the ants climbing to the top of the box. Once any stranger is found in the box, the Indian bees gets absconded. They are prone to absconding. The honeycombs which are completely sealed or two-thirds capped is taken out for extraction. He does not use smoke here to keep the bees away so that he can do the work without any disturbance. He says it will spoil the shelf life of the honey. You can have a close look through into their house. This is the instrument which is used to extract the honey. The honeycombs are sealed by the bees once it is full. In order to extract the honey, these cap must be removed. With the help of a knife, slowly the cap is removed. After the cap is removed, the frame is kept inside the chambers of the machine. There are 4 chambers for 4 frames. Then he starts rotating the handle of the machine. The mechanism is such a way that once he starts rotating the handle, the chambers inside the machine start spinning. The honey from the combs starts splashing out, gets collected beneath the machine. The collected honey then flows out through a nozzle. The honey then gets drained through a clean cloth. After the extraction, the empty combs are kept back. In case of replacement, new wax sheets are added to the frames. There it is, the pure honey. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I also thank my uncle and his family for sharing this video with me. Thank you.